Hey guys, it's Lexi, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys my post relaxer wash day routine. So if you want to see how I got my hair like this, continue to watch the video. So I'm going to start off by washing my hair. I'm currently 3 weeks post relaxer, so I'm just washing out. I had a silk press, and I will be using a new shampoo today, the As I Am Dry Itchy Scalp Care. It has olive and tea tree oil in it. This is my first time using any As I Am products in general, but I know they're a good brand. As you can see, the shampoo is kind of like a lotion consistency, so that was kind of new for me. But at first when I applied it, it wasn't really lathering that much, but I expected it not to because my hair of course had a lot of buildup and it was oily, so it's not gonna lather on the first try. But you guys know I usually love to use my olive oil rice water moisturizing shampoo. Y'all know that's my holy grail. But I wanted to clarify my scalp a little more because my scalp was really dry and it had little flakes in it. So I wanted to use this shampoo to see if that would get rid of it. So I washed my hair 2 times with the shampoo, and even after washing it the second time, it lathered a little more, but not as much. Me, honestly, I don't care about lathering with shampoo as long as it cleans my hair. But I know some people prefer more of a lather when it comes to shampoo, so it's really up to you. I just wanted to let you guys know that. But I really did like the shampoo, y'all. Like, it really did clarify my scalp and get rid of the itchiness and dryness, and I didn't have any more flakes on my scalp, so I really did like this shampoo. And after washing all that out, I'm going to go in with a new conditioner. Y'all, in this video I'm using a bunch of new products. So yeah, so this is the Giovanni Tea Tree Triple Threat Conditioner. I've used this before, but way before, like in the past when I was younger. My mom would always use this, and my sister and I hair, and I know that before it was really good on my natural hair, so I wanted to see if it worked well on my relaxed hair, and it does, of course. Like, y'all, this product, the slip it has on my hair is so good. Like, I loved it. I purchased this from Marshall's, by the way. The big bottle was only like $16. But I'm also want to show you guys, you see how I'm not going in with a comb, right? Usually, y'all know I would use a comb for my relaxer day routine anytime I wash my hair. But I realized with relaxed hair, when it's wet, it's more fragile. And I'm trying to prevent as much breakage and shedding as possible. So in order to do that, I realized I'm not going to comb my hair in the shower anymore. I'm not doing that anymore because that's just creating more breakage. I'm going in with this Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Deep Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. This is a new deep conditioner to me also, and I know it says for curls and coils, but I still want to see how it will work on my relaxed hair because it says a moisturizing deep conditioner, and it worked pretty good. Like, it wasn't too heavy. Sometimes not all natural hair products work well with relaxed hair because they're too heavy on the hair, so that's why I'd be picky with it. But this was not heavy on the hair at all, so I really liked it. But as you guys can see, I barely had any breakage or shedding, and that's because I was not combing in the shower. So you want to make sure you're not doing that. Now on to the next step. Another new product I'll be using is this ORS Hair Restore Hair Mayonnaise. This is a protein treatment. Now after getting a relaxer, it is very important, you guys, that you are incorporating some type of protein mask, treatment, or whatever into your hair, because you just got a chemical process, you understand? So you just broke down all those protein bonds in your hair, so you want to restore the hair, and that's what the protein is going to do. You don't want to just have your hair moisturized, you also want to incorporate protein in it, so make sure you're doing that. Another thing I do want to say also that I didn't mention before is you want to make sure you have a balance of moisture and protein, which is why you see me went in with the moisturizing deep conditioner, and then I went in with the protein treatment. Those two, they go hand in hand, so it creates a perfect balance to help restore the hair and bring it back to life. And now after doing all that, I'm going to put my hair up in a shower cap, and I'm going to put a heat cap on it. It suggests on the hair mayonnaise thing, it says to use like a heat, just apply any heat on it after applying it. So I said, okay, I'm using my heating cap. You can also go under the dryer if you have a dryer, and it says to leave it on there for 15 minutes. I like to do the suggested time for whatever the protein treatment says, because you don't want to go above that time, because protein masks can leave your hair dry and brittle if you leave it on for too long. So it says 15 minutes, so 15 minutes. Now after washing the protein treatment out, I wrapped my hair up in microfiber towel, and I'm just showing you guys how my hair looks. Yeah, my hair felt so soft and just, you know when your hair just feels like like rejuvenated? That's exactly how my hair felt. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry 80% before I blow dry, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. Now after letting my hair air dry 8%, it is time to blow dry. I like to let my hair air dry 80% because I don't like to blow dry in wet hair. That just causes more breakage, so you don't want to do that. Like I said, I'm trying to prevent any more extra shedding or breakage in this process, because after you get a relaxer, the stylist always will tell you you're going to experience a little more shedding than you usually do after you get a relaxer. So do understand that, but I'm not trying to get even more shedding on top of that. You understand? So right now I'm just parting my hair in 4 sections just to get it ready to blow dry, and I'm going to be using this G keratin green tea reconstructorizer. I love this stuff, y'all. It does have protein in it, but like I said, I'm using a balance of moisture and protein in my hair. And I also like this because it acts like a heat protectant. And then just to have a little extra heat protectant, I'm using this Cream of Nature heat protectant serum in my hair, and I'm just gonna smooth that all throughout my hair. But I love these G products, y'all. Now for me personally, I like to do a protein treatment once every 2 weeks. You don't want to do too much because there is a such thing as protein overload for your hair. But yeah, I like to do it once every 2 weeks. But in between those weeks, I'll use like the keratin G thing in between, just to add a little protein in my hair. You just don't want to just use only moisturizing products. Like I said, you want to have a balance of moisture and protein. Now as you can see, as I'm blow drying, I'm not combing my hair while blow drying. You only see me comb my hair once this whole entire time, and that was before I blow dry. And like I said, I'm trying to prevent as less breakage as possible. I realized in my routine before that I would use the comb a lot in between, and eventually over time that does lead to breakage, you understand? And I don't really need to comb much anyways, because since I am 3 weeks post relaxer, I don't have much new growth, so I'm not battling with 2 different textures, you understand? So here I'm just showing you guys how the blow dry looks, and as you can see, my scalp is clean. No flakes, no nothing. So that shampoo, I really do like it. I will be using it again on days where I feel like my scalp is a little more dry than usual. And here I was showing you guys that I do have breakage in the front, and unfortunately that's from me pulling my hair in ponytails too tight. So my goal right now is to really grow out the breakage in the front, because I don't like it. But yeah, don't tie your ponytails too tight. But after blow drying the whole head, this is how my hair looks. Really full, really fluffy. My hair, I didn't even need to add any products further than this because it already felt moisturized, but I still did. So now I'm using this Too Chic by Giovanni leave-in conditioning styling elixir. It has avocado and olive oil in it, and I only use 4 pumps. Now yeah, here's another thing I learned. When you're moisturizing relaxed hair, you don't want to moisturize it to the point where your hair feels damp. You understand what I'm trying to say? Like, you ever put so much product in your hair feels almost damp? Yeah, you don't want to do that. And the reason why I'm saying you don't want to do that, because if your hair is damp, that's basically like you dealing with your relaxed hair while it's wet. And like I said before, when relaxed hair is wet, it is more fragile. So it is going to break. So you don't, less is more, y'all. Less is definitely more. Especially when it comes to relaxed hair, you don't need a lot of products. You don't need to soak your hair in products or anything, because not only does it cause breakage, but it's also unnecessary. You understand what I'm trying to say? If you have the proper wash day routine, the proper base by washing your hair, just a little moisture just to hold in, that is good enough. You don't need to use a lot of products, because you don't want to put your hair in a more fragile state by leaving it wet or damp. But as you can see, I went in with that Africa's Best Super Grow hair grease. That's my first time using that product. I don't usually use hair grease to put on my scalp, but I said, you know what, my scalp, like I said, and it's winter right now, y'all. Like, New York is fully snowing out here, so I feel like I needed just something a little more to grease my scalp, to just make it a little more moisturized than just oil itself. So I said, you know what, let me try this, because I used it before when I was young and I really liked it, and yeah, it was super good. And plus that grease, to me, it's not so heavy. Like, it's not as thick as like a Blue Magic kind of grease, so I know like it's not gonna like suffocate my scalp too much because it's not too thick. But if you do use grease to like moisturize or put on your scalp, I would say don't use it so often during the week. I would just suggest once or twice during the week, only because grease is thicker than oil, so you don't want to suffocate your scalp in grease, you understand? But I just put that all over my hair, and the excess I just put throughout the ends of my hair, and then I just twisted my hair and put it up. And don't forget your edge line and the back of your neck also. But yeah, as you can see, this whole routine, I tried all different products and I loved all of them. They all worked really well together. As you can see, my routine definitely did change. Because if you watch my channel, my videos, you'll see most of the time I use the same products in my hair. I'll change it up here or there, but for the most part I use the same products. But it's always good to try something new. But me learning about, not combing my hair in the shower and also not damping my hair with products are two different things that I learned in my routine. So if you guys do want an updated hair regimen routine, comment that below, because I can't give you guys that. Of course, I've only been relaxed for a year, you guys, so I'm still learning new tips and tricks here and there on the way. But I still want to show you guys the stuff that I am learning on the way, because you never know what people may know. And this is how I wear my hair every night, because it's less tension on the hair. But yeah, I wish you guys could have seen how silky, smooth, and moisturized my hair felt the next day. These products worked really well with my hair, so I'm super happy with that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications for every time I post, and be on the lookout for the next video. And if you guys do want to update a routine, like I said, please comment that down below, because I don't mind posting that.